Oh, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Yeah, mic check's it. Good morning, everybody. Looks like there's some people in here. That's what YouTube is telling me. That's what the YouTubes is telling me. Per usual, give me a shout if there's anything we want to look at together. Probably not a Ivar Hashim. Good morning, good sir. Hey, what's up, bully? What up, bully? I don't know. Just setting a couple alerts here really quick. I've got a little scalp short going on INJ. Um, I just want down here, and we can hop over and talk some boring Bitcoin. Yeah, I was just looking at that break, and then this remitigation, blah blah blah, whatever. Yeah, and then come on, brain, let's go, brain. This kind of situation. I just want to see if I can poke this guy right here. That's all. Nothing exciting. Bitcoin, blank chart. Probably blank chart. Probably blank chart. Probably blank chart. Blank. I said blank. No indicators. Go away. Um. What were we on? 4 hour yesterday. Is that what we were doing? Boom. This thing. We put in a little bit of a double top here. I haven't gone to see like what time frame structure broke up there, so we'll take a look at that. I just haven't even looked yet this morning. We start to retrace. Nothing about my TA from yesterday changes here. I still look. Yeah, basically here. Yeah, I mean that's what I want. I don't know if I get it. Whatever. I'll start looking as early as 99,888 for longs. But I'd like 99,603. I think that'd be cool. All right, let's see what time frame this breaks on. 1 hour break. It's a shit looking 1 hour break. I mean, it's real. It's so crimped up. So crimped up. I mean, like, what is the size of this fucking range right here? 1.5% range. Yeah, so anyways, whatever, it broke. Up, down, up, sweep it, break it, form some supply. And yeah, this is still that 4-hour order block with imbalance kind of area right as we breach the right prior to breaching the range high. And get this path tool out of there. Yeah, still 100% the area I want right there. Oh, market opened. Damn it. I really meant to watch that candle print. Damn it all to hell. Damn it all to hell. Okay, so let's look at this here. Okay, so we got 729, 730, market opens, goes down 731, 732. Yeah, I mean, I just want to see like who filled what kind of orders on market open, right? That's all. And yeah, those are your market open fills right there. What the hell did I do with my cheaters? Top of the morning, Anthony Soprano. Yeah, so we fill there. We did we sweep the high? Oh, son of a bitch, we did do that again too, huh? Okay, cool. So yeah, just down. I don't suspect that this holds. No, no. I mean, can you pull a 3R out of here? I wonder if we can pull a 3R out of here. What does a 3R look like? Yeah, you can probably pull a 3R out of here. I suppose you probably do that. A little behind the train on this. I don't know if you should follow me. I don't necessarily recommend that. Yeah, because you see how that candle ran away? I mean, fucking hell, Jesus Christ. Um, yeah, that's why it was probably a little tough to follow on that. And shame on me for not being my ass right here as that candle printed. Son of a bitch. Anyways, moving on. So yeah, didn't we like planned a long out of here yesterday? I think that's what we did. Oh, maybe we just didn't put the stupid little things on. Yeah. So this is 99,865 into, let's call it, maybe we put some price labels on here. Well, I mean, but like you got one right here. So 99,950 to we'll call it that one, 99,238. In and about this zone will be the area that I would look to go north from. Do we just go north to this point and then set a lower low? I don't know. I mean, like, I guess, but that doesn't particularly make sense. Structure is still very bullish up from the depths on both the local leg, right, and the larger external, and you have your sweeps of your range lows. So all I'm trying to say there is I would still. It seems more likely to set a higher high out of this area than a lower high out of that area. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all I'm really trying to say. Okay, cool. So that looks like that's gonna work. Come on, Ape. Come on, Ape. I'd grabbed a long on 8 this morning, just looking at a just looking at a purge of that low. Yeah, obviously your boy's hoping for a little bit more lift out of this thing. Let me get back over because I can't even see chat. Where's the chat at? I mean, you got nothing for. Well, there's probably not that many people in here. There's only 7 people in here, so not surprising that you don't have a ton of stuff that you want to look at. Don't break down on me, Ape. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Don't do it. And I need you to like hold this. Yeah, let's keep going north from VWAP, please. And thank you. I don't know. We can go back and look at some of the shit that we looked at yesterday. See how any of that stuff panned out. I suppose. I don't have. I'm trying to make this a little bit shorter. I'd like to wrap this up in probably about 20 minutes or so. Yeah. Just saying that if you have things that you're interested in or would like my opinion on, let's get to it. Let's get to it. What happened to market open over here? 7:30. Oh, there's your fills. Okay. Um. Yeah. 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 I didn't. I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a 4 hour time frame. We're gonna go on down to the 4 hour time frame, and we're gonna start poking through some charts here. All right. So that no bueno. Yeah, purge of the range high. Blah blah blah. Watch that thing drag you all the way down to here. How epic would that be? We can get rid of this guy. And what is this line? Oh, that's my problem. There we go. And we get rid of that guy. Yeah. I mean, I don't think there's anything interesting happening on Sui until potentially $5. And then it's probably a moderate level of interest at that. Abe, boom, and break. Okay, cool. So down lower. Lost your 4 hour structure up here. So even if you stair step this, I think if we stair step this, we still lose. Yeah, you lose it there. So don't put more on the Aves. Is it down a lot or more? Yeah, probably just a little bit more. Probably a little bit more. Probably not a lot of more. Probably not a lot of. Probably just a little. ADA breaks its little local range high this morning. Interesting. Well, that's cute. Yeah, that's pretty cute. Yeah, ADA looks like it wants up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean it sure seemed like it wanted to hold that low right there and come back and peel all this stuff off, doesn't it? Probably run that guy. And based on well now hold on. Is this an area in which we should expect to pull back from? Yeah, possibly. Well, maybe not actually. Maybe it doesn't make a lot of sense to pull back here. I was just wondering whether to watch like the high on that thing for a short, like this thing for a short. But I kind of suspect it's going to break that. Yeah, I kind of suspect it's going to break that. I do kind of suspect that, unless it grabs right onto this where you lost your structure at the top of the range and put in that fair value gap. Unless it just runs off of that, that makes a little bit more sense. You know, kind of like peel all this stuff off, pull your internal high, knock into some supply, set a new low. That's the that makes sense. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me because it'd still be cool. I mean, like I see that we back tested the previous swing high that's over there somewhere over there. I don't want to chase it down, and then we pulled the internal low. So I got all that looks pretty good, but you know, after the initiation over the swing high, coming a little deeper for some mitigation. You know, build up some shorts to yank for a higher high. Yeah, it just kind of makes sense. So this is a maybe for me. This is a maybe. That's a maybe. Yep. And still nothing over in chat. So I will just continue my 4 hour charting exercise. That's not a good look. Probably goes quite a bit lower. Yeah, that's an unfortunate look. Yeah, very unfortunate look. A gold. Looks like it goes down. Where's it going to go to, though? Where's it going to? What's up with this thing? What's up with this thing? I just, you know, that failure to close up there, it just looks bad. It just looks bad. It looks like it wants like clear down to here. And yeah, like why doesn't, well, I guess it did set, now I was just say, why doesn't this set a higher high? Well, it did set a higher high. It just didn't break it. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Tell me it didn't do that. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a good look on A gold. Not a good look on A gold. That looks like if I owned this, I'd be looking to sell some here, but I don't. So fortunately, I don't have to deal with those problems. This chart's bullish. AKT is bullish. Yeah, AKT's base. Yeah, dude, because like so many other assets never took that low. Like a lot of them, some of them did, but you know, a lot of them didn't. Um, yeah, that looks pretty bullish. That looks pretty bullish. What's happening locally on this? ICP YY. I did some ICP for you yesterday, so we'll go take a look at it and see if I'm a moron or not. Probably, probably might be a moron on that. I might be a moron on that. But we'll go freshen that thing up here in a second. Yeah, that thing looks fragile. It looks fragile. We'll just hop directly to ICP, and we left off on AKT, and then we're gonna go to IC. Where the hell is it? Where's my ICP? Where is it? My bruh. I must have inadvertently removed it from my favorite list. So I wonder what chart we had. I mean, it would seem like I would have picked this one. Damn, now I gotta find the chart. Jesus, that sucks. That sucks. What was it? Blows, man. Did I do Coinbase? No. God damn. I wonder what hmm, hmm, hmm. Hold please. I'm just gonna pull up yesterday's stream and look at it from there. So I'm like, I know, I started the stream yesterday on ICP, I want to say. I just need to see what chart I was using. What was this? It was BMX. I charted it on BMX. I shouldn't have done that. But whatever. We'll go back to that because I want to see if that if anything about that TA ended up working. No, we just haven't hit it yet. No, we just haven't hit it yet. But yeah, I mean, I just want to see what the overall vibe of the chart is. And, yeah, yeah. I mean, whatever. You set a significantly higher high. Come back to mitigate. The only unfortunate thing about this chart is you're up only off of the low, and your external structure that broke to get you down to here uh, is still externally bearish until you clear this level here. So that's the only kind of funky thing on the chart. But outside of that, I mean, it still looks like it can come back and set a higher high from around these areas. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you need this area to hold right here because if it doesn't and breaks, that's what that stupid thing's supposed to indicate. Then we're back down to like $11 or so. Yeah, that's probably all I have on that. That's probably all I got there. It's probably all I got there. What the hell did this thing do? Bruh. Doing over here, Bitcoin? What are we doing, my man? Really had to come back for all that shit? Rude. Rude, man. That's rude. Okay, and anyways, where was I? It was AKT or something like that. AKT, and I wanted to be on the 4 hour. We'll just keep flying through some of these things. Algo, Algo is not in a tradable position because it has both. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, well, actually, if anything, I'd short this. I'd short this. What? Yeah, let's just get rid of that. That already worked. That already rotated us off of the bottom. But we pulled the top, and then like this, I don't like the look of this right here. So I would rather short this back down to the low after having pulled the top. It'd just be a challenge to get a 3R out of it. You kind of have to lose this range to do it. But I would say that oh god, yeah, it's like brutal to get a 3R out of it. But yeah, so like only really yeah, you'd have to anticipate a loss of the range and further down into there to really begin to justify a short trade on Zip. I'm betting personal opinion. Let's see, ape. I'm long on. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty, stupid ape coin. API 3. Oh, we need to be on the 4 hour. If you guys want to throw any other coins, let me know. I mean, API 3 looks like it, it's in a place that makes sense to bounce, but it's under 4 hour bearish market structure. So, yeah, it's likely going to come down and pull this low. and then might as well pull that one while it's at it. But I would say I'd say likely down to something like that. Probably yeah, you probably need a little retrace action still. Again, might be kind of tough to pull a 3R out of. Will this need to refine too? Interesting. Yeah, I feel like it's down on this after this break here. This break here, right? Because you swept the highs, and then you returned and you broke your low that created the highs. But there's just nothing like that I love inside of this area for like an obvious retest into supply to continue down. Like beep beep. There's just nothing I love there, so I don't think I'm going to force an idea on that. Well, I mean, like outside of this kind of dog shit risk reward one that I put on there already. APT. Let's just run through this stuff. APT looking, that kind of looks fragile, man. That looks fragile. Let's get the blue boxes the hell out of the way. Maybe just let's just delete them. Let's just delete them. Let's just delete them. My worry is this action. That's my worry. So I'm going to flicker through some time frames and see if there's anything really obvious over here that sticks out to me. Yeah, I want to go up. I think I want to go up in time frames. Yeah. 12 hour? No. 16. Hey, we're getting closer. Yeah. This kind of thing. So one of those lines. What do we look like on a 15? Yeah, pre-mitigated damn near everything underneath it. With the exception of this, I would say that is your unmitigated demand, and it is tiny and does not look to possess a whole lot of strength, but it is there nonetheless. Yeah, you start closing below here, and it's going to start looking a whole lot more like this kind of thing. Yeah, you know, I mean, it could run. It could go down further than that. Could peel all that stuff off. Get back down into something more like that. Yeah, find itself. It could find itself on about a 10% tumble in this area. And that I think that would still support the overall higher time frame structure, wouldn't it? I feel like it would. Hold on, let's go to the daily. Yeah. Because like on the daily, you would still be maintaining bullish structure on the daily to come down to a level like that, because your daily break is here, right? So you can print bearish candles on the daily time frame and get all the way back into there and still set a higher low for a higher high. Yeah, that will not break your daily market structure to do that. So it is a short that would still leave it in a bullish position. Yeah, I don't mind this. I don't mind this. I think this would be something like a target one for me. That's not what I wanted to do. Do the. Okay. Anyways, Chintu-san. What's up, Chintu-san? What is up? Top of the morning. All right. So we did some APT. We'll just keep cruising down here since you guys aren't giving me anything else to look at. And if you do have anything you want to look at, let me know. Let me know. Interesting. So we're going to lose structure on ARB. Okay. What a fucking lame crawl. All right, so you're going to lose structure on A or B probably about right here. But what I like about this, let me delete some of this stuff. Boom, let's go ahead and delete this because that is completely mitigated. There's nothing left of that. It is dead. Let's get rid of this target 2. What I like the idea of is I like the idea of taking out these semi-equal lows on a sweep and then running back up to the high. So something a little bit more along these lines. And if this does not work, you are losing the structure that brought you to where you are. You're going to break that, and then we'll be back down to at least 84. At least 84. Possibly lower, but at least 84. So I like that. I just like the idea of, like just this constant, like, sort of peeling of liquidity, like, run all these stop losses, leave these there, build all this short liquidity, run all these long stop losses, come back for all that short liquidity. Like, yeah, it just makes sense. It just makes sense. So that's what I have to say on that. And yeah, INJ, happy to do so. Had store. Good evening to you too. Let's see here. What did we say? Oh, INJ. Yeah, I'm scalping INJ as we speak, and it is just hit my target. It's just hit my target. So yeah, it's like what's up? Are we gonna break? Are we gonna break this? God, why did that go so deep? Yeah, it's well, I think it's about to print a double top between Bing and then your break of this guy. We'll see. That's awfully deep. I don't like it when she goes that deep, man. That don't feel like just the tip to me. No, it does not feel like just the tip to me. INJ. All right. So if we do double top here, oh God, Lord, we fill that whole gap then? Is that for real? For real? INJ. This would be an easy Juan for me. I just see if you can follow. If you can get back into that supply, I might very well be adding to the short myself, and that'd kind of be your sort of target 1 right there. But like target 2 for me is probably clear down there. Um, hmm. Now, I'm being a little aggressive on that stop loss. Like having it up there makes a lot more sense. That's fairly aggressive on the stop loss. But yeah, quite likely something like that. Well, that might have just shit on my ape trade then, huh? Yeah, you little bastard. Asshole. Assholes. Take my money. Take my money from me. Yes. Fucking get out of that thing. Fucking pull the ripcord. Pull the ripcord, George. Well, What other waterfalls do we want to go look at? Because I have a feeling everything just went a little sour out there. Yeah, I think it went a little on the sour side out there. Hey, caramba. Yeah, yeah, it did. Yeah, okay. Well, likely we just missed a whole lot of entries, so we'll just move on. Just move on with our lives. Let's just move on. Where did I leave off at? Did I get to the bees yet? Oh, damn it. This is about the time where I said I was going to leave. So I will give a final offer to anybody who wants to take a look at, any other coins. We'll go take a look at whatever you guys want to. I'll give it another 5 minutes or so, and then um, I'm gonna head on out. Then I'm gonna head on out. Well, god damn you, magnet. Yeah, all right. Dun, dun, dun. That, that. Okay, and let's see. I'm gonna set my stop loss to break even there. Let's see. I'm already break even there. All right. Well, whatever. I guess I just short and chill then. I guess I just short and chill. Whatever. Whatever. BTC buddy, what's up, my man? Like that's you ain't supposed to be looking like that, homie. Like this is the area I wanted back down into. It's not the way I wanted to get there. No, no, sir. That is not the way I wanted to get there. Good old Bart. Good old Bart. What's up, Bart? Long time no see, buddy. Morning, Corey Miller. You caught me as I was about to head out. So if there's a coin you want to look at, Corey, let me know. Happy to take peeksies at it. I got what'd you miss? I got stopped out on my ape long, and we were shorting some INJ and some Bitcoin. Yeah, what, what? Oh, shit. I don't want to call it a shit night last night, but I'm gonna tell you it wasn't good. It was not good. Not good. I won't even share the story with you. It was that bad. It was that bad. Let's see. OM. Corey Miller says, OM. Hi, Brew. Good morning from the XOs. OM. I've never heard of OM. So I love the fact that you have asked for OM. Yeah, it's spectacular because I have never heard of it. And I love looking at charts I have never seen before. This thing's cool. That thing's cool as shit, man. Um, okay, cool. Let's recognize a couple of things here that like I don't know what is over here or if there's anything over here, and I honestly don't think it's that relevant. I mean, unless Corey, you holler at me if I'm missing a ton of data over here, specifically any swing structure that is higher than this. Holler at me if I'm missing that because all I have on this chart is a gigantic impulse and a range. And that's all the TAI will be able to do unless there is something else. So maybe we'll hop down to the 15 and just take a look at this range. Overshot that, maybe 4 hour. Start on the 4. All right, so important things to notice up here is you've swept the range high, and that followed a purge of the range low, right? So you set a high, you set a low, you purge the low, you purge the high, take our range points and we reset them to here and here. And now let's go look at the guts. The guts. Okay, so you're breaking right here, right? You're losing your 4 hour structure here. The last thing it did was sweep the high, right? The low sweep happened prior to the high sweep, meaning that this is now your weak level. Can you hold your internal lows? Okay, so you've already swept. Well, now that is interesting though. Okay, so the last thing that happened was you swept your internal low. How high did that take us? Not to a new high. It did not take us to a new high, and then we look to lose 4 hour structure right here. So yeah, we've got short on our hands. Look to refine this a little bit because this is target 1 and like this is like probably target 2 and this is target 3 and this is target 4. Now, if we get to the 15, can we refine this at all? No, I mean, in all honesty, it probably just doesn't come back for you, right? Like if I had to refine this, it'd probably be something. I don't think it comes back for it though. That's the trouble. Um, yeah, it needs more. It needs more structure. It needs more structure. It'd just be hard to. It'd be hard to execute an entry on, as far as I'm concerned. Um, yeah, it's just tough to execute an entry on. But yeah, I'll leave that up to you. You gotta find your own way in, I suppose. It's just it's like so close to target 1 already. Yeah, I don't think really have too much more on that. Where would we long it from though? Where would we long it from? You probably watch as early as here. I guess all the targets are no. I'm going to take that back. Every target I have on here is a potential long. I prefer target 2 for it though. I do prefer target 2 for it. And then we'll do RWA. If it's a new coin, probably not a lot to talk about on it, but let's take a look at it. And then I'm out of here. All right. What do we got? What do we got? Is the high still chilling unchallenged? Yes, it is. Let me see what that alert was. What the fucking. Oh, God, of course, you bastard. You asshole. You cotton picking asshole. Anyway, sorry. RWA. Okay, so high is still intact. We've taken a run at the initial low. Didn't come back up there. We purged more liquidity. Didn't set a new high. That's unchallenged as well. Okay, so there's your range. Right below your range, you do have some further demand. Okay, and then what happened here more locally? Maybe it's dropped to the 1 hour. I never used the 1 hour. I should probably use it more. All right, so we come up. All right, so we start losing structure here. Set a lower high. Probably come down to a lower low. But See, it's tough because you really don't know what's gonna that you're as you break here bearishly. Um, to me this is the target. That's the initial target right there. So it's a little challenging. I mean, I do expect that it is a lower low and not an equal low. No, I do expect that it is likely a lower low and back down to your range low. Um, into potentially demand, and then you're going to find out if there's a long to be had. But for the immediate interim, I'd say it's down. Um, let's just throw something for fun on here. So if we enter here, let's get back down to like maybe the 5 minute. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, what are you going to cover on that? Jesus Christ. Yeah, you SFP'd this high. So you're running back for those lows. Pull that low too. Um, yeah, dude, I don't know. I mean, like, I don't have a great way to refine that SL. No, I really don't. Unfortunately, I don't have a great way to refine that. And so there you have the R, W, A, and yeah, 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 longs are down, down, longs are down here. Probably a bit of a long shot there. Uh, I think considering the amount of bullishness this had, well, yeah, I really would. I'd like to see him bring more shorts in, and I think they could do that below 7.5 cents. Um, so I like coming out of here better, back to the range high. I do like that a little bit better. We could price label on that, and yeah, yeah, probably something like that. That's all I see on the RWAs. Oh, well, sorry, Corey. Bro, when I see a ticker, sometimes I just go for it. Just go for it. That's just what happens. Sometimes I just go for it, man. All right. Well, oh, Mother Teresa, Mother Teresa, chorizo and beans. Fuck does the INJ chart go? Well, chorizo and beans. Look at those Bart Simpsons out there. Jesus. So this zone doesn't hold, huh? Ay, ay caramba. Ay caramba. Let's hop back out here. Bruh. Bruh. We could break some serious structure here. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, like this area down in here, whatever this is, 97.4-ish. Like you're gonna lose 4 hour structure off that thing. That's ugly, bro. That's an ugly fucking candle. That's ugly. But you're not going to lose your daily structure. Your daily structure is still going to be super bullish. Woo, look at those 2 daily candles. All right, well, yeah, guys, I got a good morning, Reaper. Since we got Reaper and JRMO that just hopped in, if you guys want to take a look at anything, let me know. If not, I'm gonna hop out. I told myself I was gonna be out of here 16 minutes ago, and I'm still here. But we just had some new people hop in, so I will make the offer. I'll make the offer to anybody who wants to take a peep at something together. Yeah, but outside of that, I probably will hit the road. Oh, and then we got F1, so we got all kinds of new people in here. Um, yeah, so I'll give you. I'll turn the stage over to you guys. See if there's anything else you want to peep on, and then I'm out of here. Sweet. All right. Cool. I'm really kicking. You know, the one I'm kicking myself in the ass for not trading was Doge. That's the one I'm really kicking myself in the ass on because I've been looking at this general idea out of this supply for quite some time here. And there was a really good opportunity this morning, and I got distracted. Oh well, whatever. Yeah, LJ. I mean, like, kind of, sort of. I went over BTC. Let's grab a blank chart real quick, and let's just do some BTC stuff. And yeah, yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. So, like on your higher time frame perspective, your daily is still holding bullish market structure externally from this action, right? Sorry, those lines. I'm not really good at that. And then, we did close a daily candle body up above here, so all that does look pretty dang good, if you ask me. It's this low that worries me right here. Did I turn my magnet off? Get my magnet back on. This low in about magnet weak. Go, dude. Can we hit any buttons correctly? 97 and 250, 973 in that area. That's what worries me. That's what worries me. Is that our daily? No. It doesn't break daily structure. It doesn't break daily structure. But what it does do is it breaks the highest time frame structure that exists from the low to the high. It breaks the highest time frame structure of that. So this is a very interesting level to me, and generally everything between. I need to go close this short, because really everything in this. Yeah, this is an area I would like to see some lift out of. So yeah, let me go close my short. All right. Where did you do most of your learning? Um, yeah, so when I very first started trading, let's go to the weekly chart. When I opened my very first sort of perpetual futures account was like right in this area, and so from probably here to here, I was primarily studying probably Frankie Candles amongst, maybe Tom Crown had a big influence on me back here. Jason Casper had a monster influence on me back here. Um, I started studying smart money concepts probably in and about this region here, and I learned, yeah, I learned smart money concepts from White Phoenix, and yeah, and then I would say it was in and about this region in which I abandoned all indicators. Um, I would say we were probably in around here is where I abandoned all indicators, and yeah, that's where I did most of my learning. LJ, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. No big deal. But I am gonna let you guys go. I am gonna let you guys go. And you all have a great day. I gotta go get to work. Gotta get to work. Ladies and gentlemen, I must get to work. I'll leave y'all with the Wookiee goodbye. Yeah, White Phoenix, super nice guy. Super nice guy. Super nice dude. Super nice. Y'all have a good one. I gotta go. I don't want to leave. If you can't tell, I really don't want to leave.